and got them to ask questions. But the first people we got them to ask questions to were government counterparts at the local level. You can see one of those meetings. We went to 18 governorates. We asked 12 questions in 294 sub-districts, which are how many sub-districts in Iraq. And we asked them about security and access issues. We didn't ask if you have water. We asked, can we work here? What's the situation like? What's your perception of how you can move freely around this place? And we ended up with a ranking from 1 to 294 of the most likely vulnerable sub-districts in the country. And we basically had a roadmap of where we go first all the way down to the bottom. We spoke after that. We went to the worst 46 sub-districts and we spoke to 69,000 people. And it took, thank you very much. That all came back, and some poor bunch of schmucks were sitting in front of computers, punching in data from hundreds and thousands of forms, and it spat out a whole bunch of reports, which were pretty useful. And from those reports, we did stuff. We did water projects. Thank you. We looked at how we can get improved health services with our government partners out to communities, in these 46 locations. We did things like make sure that children in these places have safe places to play and be kids. We looked at how we can better improve access to education for the children in these 46 communities. It went pretty well, but we can do things better, which is why we had a spanner, because we need to tweak, and that's why you're all here. What we can do better, this might have saved me a long time. What we can do better is, we didn't tell many people about what we found. One of the reasons was that this data had not been endorsed officially by UNICEF or by our government partners. We also still have not measured any change after we did what it is we did in those places. We don't know if things got better or worse. We only know still the snapshot from 1 year ago. Part of the reason for that is that it's expensive to send people all around the country. And it's expensive, and we don't want to waste kids' money on paying lots of staff. We need to find a way to do this cheaper. And we need to find a way to do it faster. Taking 3 or 4 months to gather a series of opinions and turning them into action is just too long. We need to do it in a matter of days and weeks. Thank you. Lastly, the thing we need to do better is join hands with other partners. We try to take all these issues on ourselves, and no one organization can do everything, even with such an important partnership as the government of Iraq. We all need to do this together and unite for children. Thank you very much.